Gonna catch a ride with you, okay?
Wait.
Little man, pick your feet up. Yeah, you're gonna get your feet run over. Pick your feet up.
Let Nick switch the buttons, Bubby.
Yeah, let Nick switch the buttons.
Uh-oh, I need back up.
Hit the backup button.
This is too heavy.
Okay, now back up.
Now back up.
Little man's got it in neutral. No, I think you're both dying.
Yeah, I think yours is dying too.
Yeah. It's dead already. It's dead already. It's dead already. There.
Oh, maybe not.
I got gas in there.
Push the red button.
Oh, is that it?
No, the other one.
That one?
Yep.
I'm gonna take turns.
You gonna take turns with him for now?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice of you.
But
He didn't give you much of a choice, did he?
yeah, it was Chelsea when I ran my second. My mama or something. Chelsea down there.
You got a tractor?
Yeah. I think I want to buy one of these too. I can rent that bike now, right?
You can.
Rent that bike now?
What bike? The one in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, not today, Nick.
Not today. We can't get to it.
We have to clean out the garage, so next week when
If you want to grab little man's bike out of there, you can ride it.
Yeah.
I don't know if it won't go forward or not. Well, come to the door, honey.